Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Stories with me. I know you are all want to live happy life forever, but what do you do good work for it? Yes or no? So listen to me carefully. This life is real. This world is real, but your time is limited. You don't get a second life. You don't get a second chance. You are not born again in the world. This is it. This is your life right now. Today, this moment. I am going to tell you something no one told you before. I am not here to motivate you with fake words. I am not here to give you a mirror so you can feel the truth. I know you want to change your life. I know you want to speak better English. I know you want to earn more money. I know you want to become confident, powerful. So please watch full video. I am telling you how you can do this. And if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. We know all we bring something new and useful every day. We don't just help you improve your English, we help you change your life. So let's begin because I don't want to waste your time. Lesson 1. Time is your life. Don't kill it. Let me tell you the truth. You are not killing time. Time is killing you. I know very well every time you say I will do it tomorrow. But every time you spend on more hours scrolling through Facebook, do you know about it? This is your bad habit. You are not just wasting your time, you are destroying marvelous of your life because your time is your life. You don't feel it today, but slowly life is moving. Every second is going away. You are getting older, but you don't think about it. Your energy is going down. Your parents are getting older. Your dreams are waiting for you, but for how long? Let me ask you, what did you do yesterday? What did you do the day before? And what are you planning to do tomorrow? Still nothing, still the same, still waiting for someday. That someday will never come. It's lie. Your dreams don't care about your excuse. The world doesn't care about your reasons. Only your result matter. So I give you solution. Write down your daily plan. Focus on one thing that will push your life forward and cut 1 hour of social media every day. Use it to read, learn, or grow. This is your friend only if you respect it, otherwise, it becomes your biggest enemy. Lesson 2. Stop blaming and start building your life is your responsibility, not your parents, not your friends, not your boss, not your government, only you. I didn't go to a good school. My family doesn't support me. I don't have the money. I don't have time. I don't have talent. Excuses and excuses. Please forget all this. Look around you. The most powerful people in this world, many of them had nothing, no money, no support, no guidance, but they had one thing. They had hunger for the decision to change everything. So, if you want to get success, then don't waste your time and create a passion inside you. Only through this passion you can achieve and do everything in life. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. My all dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video.